This test is designed to assess the driver's performance in each of the following motor vehicle driving functions: searching the driving environment, identifying hazardous conditions and situations, predicting the characteristics of the hazards, deciding what hazard avoidance actions are required, executing the required avoidance actions. The test is administered visually from the point of view of the motor vehicle driver. For example, the driving scenes you now see are being shown from the point of view of the driver. During the test, the terms hard brake, soft brake, and time and space zone are used frequently. In this regard, a hard brake is defined as the maximum brake pressure possible without producing a dry pavement straight road vehicle skid. A soft brake produces a moderate vehicle speed reduction. A time and space zone is the area between your vehicle and other roadway users. Before the test begins, you will be given 5 practice questions. The practice questions will not be scored. However, you should answer each question to the best of your ability. Prior to the start of this test, you were given an answer sheet like the one shown on the screen. At this time, please print your name and the date in the appropriate spaces. You will note that the first 5 multiple choice answers are designated P1, P2, P3, P4, and P5 to indicate that they are practice questions. When the practice phase of the test begins, watch the driving scenes being shown on the screen. Select the most appropriate of the 4 possible answers shown at the end of the scene and circle the answer sheet letter A, B, C, or D that indicates your answer to the question. At the completion of the 5 practice questions, each question will be reviewed, and the most appropriate answer to each of the 5 questions will be given and explained. Ready? Start the practice questions. P1. Your vehicle speed is 40 miles per hour. What are you searching for in the 360 degrees driving environment that circles your vehicle? A, drinking drivers. B, vehicles approaching from the side road. C, tailgating drivers. D, approaching vehicles that are running left of center. P2. You are approaching a signal-controlled intersection at 30 miles per hour. The pavement is wet. Identify the most hazardous situation or condition in the scene. A. Oil or grease on the pavement near the intersection. B. A pedestrian entering the roadway. C. Tailgating driver. D. Approaching vehicle turning left at the intersection. P3. Road construction is blocking the left lane of the highway. Predict what the driver to your left will do. A. Accelerate and cut quickly into your lane. B. Apply a hard brake. C. Apply a soft brake. D. Reduce speed and enter the right lane behind you. P4. The bicyclist is partially blocking your lane. You are driving 40 miles per hour and being tailgated. Decide the most appropriate hazard avoidance action. A. Accelerate and pass the bicycle while the left lane is clear. B. Reduce speed and wait for a safe opportunity to pass the bicycle. C. Maintain speed, sound horn, and pass the bicycle. D. Reduce speed, check oncoming traffic and the tailgater, enter left lane to pass the bicycle. P5. Your vehicle speed is 40 miles per hour. An approaching passing vehicle is in your lane. Execute the most appropriate evasive action. A. Steer quickly to the right. B. Brake softly, gradually steer to the right. C. Hard brake, stay in right lane. D. Reduce speed, move to the extreme right of the roadway pavement. Now for a review of the practice questions.